packing it up. This was supposed to be our last day, but made a quick little change of plans, reservation online, campsite at Tettegouche State Park. So we are headed out just for one more night, just to extend our vacation a bit longer. It's kind of nice to be flexible and be able to make changes like this when we're able.
On the fly.
Honestly, not my favorite place to fill up with water at Tettegouche Visitor Center. It works. I got the water, we just needed a little bit, but you're kind of forced to park in the parking lot. And there's a lot of people in the parking lot and they're trying to back out and I don't know, everybody's staring at you. I just feel like I'm kind of creating a spectacle. But anyways, I got the water we needed, so we're good for another night.
I think you overcorrected a little, but maybe not.
I didn't realize I was overheating it.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So I think we got lucky. Got pretty straight. Thank you. For your help.
Welcome.
Some campgrounds are considered our favorites. This is one of my favorites, Tettegouche. I mean, it's very quiet. So there actually isn't even any road nearby. So this one, you drive about 2 miles inland away from Lake Superior. So you're a little bit ways from the lake, but you've got basically complete nature around you. I don't see a single campground anywhere, so this is one of the features that I love about our favorite campgrounds.
This feels so secluded and
Yeah,
oh, beautiful.
super quiet, nothing but the birds and us. Plus we have electricity. How can you beat that, huh?
How can you beat that?
Yeah, I mean, we don't technically need electricity, but it's nice to have.
Right.
They're pretty cold nights and we're running the space heaters just to keep us warm. It's a lot quieter than, and saves on propane too, so
Yeah.
it's just a nice nice bonus. It's another beautiful morning here in Tettegouche, Baptism River State Park Campground. Interesting little development here. Our step is now functioning. Very odd. If you watched the previous video on our trip to Idaho, the step stopped working while we were driving in a big rainstorm. And I just assumed that the step would be forever, like the motor burnt out or something, but I guess some sort of a connection or something. But it's kind of weird because last night it wasn't working, and this morning we just woke up and it's working. So it's not like anything jiggled free. So I don't know, maybe some rodents started biting on some things and fixed the connection for us. I don't know. Very interesting though. Alright, you ready for some breakfast?
Yeah.
Kind of realizing that this Tettegouche State Park is not super great for biking. We were kind of spoiled at the last place where there was a lot of biking straight from the campground. Hiking is great here, although a lot of the trails were closed because of some damage. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but there was a bridge closed and also some paths that are closed. So really the only way to do some additional hiking besides what we did is to go all the way back to the visitor center. And so, yeah, just to be aware of that, I guess. I think the website talks about some of the notices, so you'll know ahead of time if there's some trail closures.
We're on the Shovel Point hiking trail. It's 0.6 miles. It's beautiful here. Gorgeous.
So we made it to our final destination. Our favorite campground characteristics, though, are pretty specific to us. Like, some people like to have resort-style campgrounds. Some people like the KOAs with lots of activities, national parks. I think our favorite type of campgrounds are those that are a little bit more isolated and then surrounded by biking and hiking options.
Yeah.
And quiet. We like the peace and quiet, and a view, and a lake, and a stream, lots of waterfalls. It's not asking too much, is it?